Greetings and welcome to the world of online earning. Are you tired of working long hours for a little pay and want to discover a new and innovative way to make $250 a day? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to ChatGPT, the AI software that will revolutionize your earning potential and automate your work. With ChatGPT, you don't have to worry about writing articles, taking surveys, or promoting products. This amazing software can do it all for you, freeing up your time and giving you the freedom to enjoy life while earning money at the same time. You heard that right. This software can help you make money while you're relaxing on the beach, playing video games, or doing anything else that you love to do. So, are you ready to start your journey towards financial freedom? All you have to do is follow a few simple steps and you'll be on your way to earning $250 per day with ease. So buckle up and let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the beauty of ChatGPT. This AI software is designed to take care of all the hard work for you, writing high-quality articles that you can use to earn money online. It's like having your own personal writing assistant who can work 24/7 without getting tired or taking breaks. The best part is it's completely free to use. All you need is a Google account, and you're ready to go. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Visit OpenAI.com and click on the Try ChatGPT Now button. Sign up for a free account using your Google account. Start using ChatGPT by typing in a request for an article or blog post in the bottom chat box. To get the most out of your ChatGPT account, it's important to be specific and clear when making your requests. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT to write a blog post about weight loss. In the bottom chat box, type in your request for a 300-word blog post about weight loss. You can be as specific as you like with your request, including the tone, style, and desired information to be included in the post. Once you've made your request, ChatGPT will generate a draft of the blog post for you. You can then review the post and make any necessary modifications or changes. When you're satisfied with the final draft, you can copy and paste the blog post into your website or blog platform. You can also save the post for later use or for sharing on social media platforms. With your high-quality blog post about weight loss, you can start attracting traffic and earning money from your website or blog. Using ChatGPT to write blog posts is a simple and efficient way to make money online. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content quickly and easily. So why not give it a try and see the results for yourself? After you have a few blog posts written by ChatGPT, you can start making money by promoting weight loss supplements or dog training programs on ClickBank. You'll receive a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This is a great way to make money online without having to sell anything yourself. To start earning money with ClickBank, you'll first need to sign up as an affiliate. This process is quick and easy, and you can sign up for free. Once you have an affiliate account, you'll have access to a wide range of products, including weight loss supplements and dog training programs. Next, you'll need to choose the products that you want to promote. You can do this by browsing the products available on the ClickBank platform and selecting the ones that you're interested in. When you've found a product that you want to promote, you'll be given a unique affiliate link. This link is what you'll use to promote the product and earn a commission from each sale. To promote the product, you can write a blog post about it using ChatGPT. In the blog post, you can include your affiliate link and write about your personal experience with the product or why you believe it's a good choice for your audience. You can also include images or videos to help promote the product and make it more appealing to your readers. Additionally, you can promote the product on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You can share your blog post or create a post that includes your affiliate link and a brief description of the product. Make sure to use keywords and hashtags that are related to the product and the target audience to increase the visibility of your posts. By promoting products on ClickBank through your blog posts and social media, you can make money online without having to sell anything yourself. In addition to promoting products on ClickBank, you can also earn money by signing up for websites that pay you for online tasks. Some of these websites offer sign-up bonuses and PayPal payments just for registering. You can find a list of these websites by searching online for Get Paid for Online Tasks. When looking for websites that pay you for online tasks, it's important to be cautious and do your research. Make sure the website is reputable and legitimate before providing any personal information. You can check out online reviews and forums to see what others have to say about a website before signing up. Once you've found a website that you're interested in, simply sign up and start completing tasks. This could be anything from taking surveys, testing websites, or even just browsing the web. The amount you can earn will vary depending on the website and the tasks you complete, but it can be a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Overall, completing online tasks can be a convenient and easy way to make money from home. While the pay may not be as high as other methods, it's a great way to supplement your income and make a little extra cash. So start exploring the options available to you. When promoting your ChatGPT written blog posts, it's important to choose the right platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn can be great places to share your blog posts, as they have large user bases and allow you to reach a wide audience. However, you can also consider other platforms like Medium, Reddit, and niche-specific forums. These platforms can also be great places to connect with potential readers and share your blog posts. In order to maximize the effectiveness of your promotion efforts, it's important to have a clear and consistent brand message. This includes using the same username, profile picture, and writing style across all platforms. This helps you to establish a recognizable brand that your audience can easily associate with your blog posts. Additionally, it's important to create high-quality, engaging content that is relevant to your target audience. By doing so, you'll be able to attract more visitors to your blog and keep them coming back for more. Consider using keywords, images, and videos to make your content more attractive and engaging. Finally, it's important to be consistent with your promotions. This means sharing your blog posts regularly and engaging with your audience. Responding to comments, answering questions, and sharing relevant content can help you build a loyal following and increase the visibility of your blog. But it's important to keep in mind that building a successful blog takes time and effort. So be patient and persistent, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep promoting your blog and creating high-quality content, and over time, you'll see your efforts pay off. If you found this tutorial helpful and are excited about the earning potential with ChatGPT, don't forget to subscribe to our blog for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.